Container gardening is a super easy way to dress up your front porch or patio to add a splash of color to bring best visual appeal. Even if your containers are only around for a season or two, make them count and worth for it. Let's explore few fabulous ideas to decorate containers with long blooming plants. Check out this drought-tolerant plants container. It is perfect fit for porch or patio areas, where it gets 6+ hours of sunlight. Fill up containers with long blooming plants along with bright foliage plants for multi-season interest. Bright blue or yellow planters draws immediate attention. Fill up these pots with combination of colorful plants. Be creative, do not hesitate to use baskets to display container plants. It creates kind of cottage-style garden look. Grouping containers having different sizes, heights, and textures adds unique pattern. Fill up these containers with plants to match the size of the pot. Make a statement with single large containers. Be sure to fill up filler, spiller, and thriller plants when decorating large pots. Select contrast color foliage plants to fill up the containers. This will brighten up space and it is perfect choice for homes with neutral color exteriors. Create a cascading impact using different layers of plants and pots, specifically when grouping containers to bring much needed impact. Do not hesitate to mix up annuals and perennials to spice up the look of container planting. Keep thriller plants for special attention. Repeating same set of plants together in multiple pots may work fine for large open areas, but not for compact outdoor spaces. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. Please subscribe to House Talks channel for more interesting home garden weekly videos. Have a great day. Thank you.